আমি তো দেখতেই না মনে হয়, এটা শুরু হয়ে গেছে।
Assalamu alaikum dear student. Natural, normal. Ancient, old. A minor. A little. Injury. Owned. 5 keywords I give you. You know, when we suffer from any kinds of disease, we go to the doctors or physicians. The physician prescribed us some medicine, etc., to take rest, etc. But now the people changing their attitude towards the modern treatment. We changing our attitude towards the traditional treatment such as herbal treatment. Now I read the passage fluently. You must have take your book and open lesson 10. People around the world are slowly changing their attitude towards medicine. More and more they are turning to natural cures. Natural cures are made of natural things, most often herbs and plants. History says that natural or herbal remedies are nothing new. People use them all along in different ages. Herbal medicine were used in ancient civilization like India, China, Greece, Egypt and Rome. Some ancient treatment systems are still in practice today. They have come down through generation. For a minor burn injury, the doctor may prescribe you a tube of ointment, but for the same, a rural grandma may put some aloe vera or use cold water. If children have cold in our country, grandmas give them honey and tulsi leaves to live, and it works too. If you have a minor cut or wound, grown-up may put some turmeric, marigold or aloe vera on it. Rural people usually use garlic, neem or turmeric to cure skin problems. With experience, they have seen that these remedies work. Moreover, they are easy to get, are cheap and most often are without any side effect. Now we discuss about these topics. Remedies means cure or treatment. Cure or treatment dear student, you know the modern treatments have various side effects. So we should not frequently use the modern medicine. So we have to turning to the natural cures. Natural cures have no side effect. If any person have any disease, he may take it easily. It has no side effect. So we should always use natural medicine such as herbal medicine. Here we discuss some natural herbal things such as tulsi leaves. Tulsi leaves may be used cold, cough with honey. Honey, it is natural things, and we take it from natural resources. It has many benefit to our body. So we should take it regularly. Minor cut. It is natural. In the world we have to do many things, so it is natural. We cut our body any things or injured. If we injured, we may use it some turmeric, marigold, aloe vera, etc. If our children have chest cold or cough, our grandmas and grandma take them some tulsi leaves or aloe vera or honey. General coughs, our grandmas give 2 spoonfuls of tulsi leaves or basil leaves. Basil leaves, that is bashoker pata. We see it by the side of the road or any other area in our rural area. Tulsi leaves, every people have tulsi leaves. Our Hindus family have a tulsi leaves in their for their worship. You have already know. So we can get it easily. Grape juice, honey, etc. we use for our cough. Cold, we use lemon juice. You know, lemon juice contains vitamin C. Vitamin C increases our body resistance lemon juice with hot water with honey can help for healing শ্বাসকষ্ট যেটা it may be used. headache মাথা ব্যথা eating apple giving good result in headache. With eating add a little salt to it. Dear student, I tell you I have already suffering from fever and cold last week. I have not fully cures about it, so I will finish this lesson in shortly, and the next lesson Lesson 21. Next lesson 21, Hasan Raza, the majestic bird of Bangladesh. Hasan Raza. Lesson 10. Hasan Raza. Thank you very much to join my class. I hope you will be so benefit for this class. Thank you very much for joining my class. Thank you.